it is essential for every human being to believe in themselves. This is called self-confidence. It means self-confidence in English. Confidence is thinking I can do it. Anyone can do anything if they have self-belief. Without talent and self-confidence, one cannot perform well in any field. Confidence works like a panacea for a man. Self-confidence helps a lot to achieve the desired work. The more self-confidence we have, the better we can rise in life. First, we must have a proper understanding of ourselves. It is this awareness that resonates in our words. This will show others how confident we are. There should be no room for any wrong thoughts in our mind. This can damage our self-confidence. Let us know some things that can improve our self-confidence. Secrets to building unshakable self-confidence. Challenge your mindset. Our thoughts are powerful. Challenge negative self-talk and replace it with positive affirmations. Embrace growth. Focus on progress, not perfection. Learn from setbacks and celebrate small wins. Care for yourself. Make self-care a priority. Get enough sleep, eat nutritious foods, and exercise regularly. Set achievable goals. Break down large goals into smaller, manageable steps. This will give you a sense of accomplishment and keep you motivated. Identify your strengths. Everyone has unique talents and abilities. Discover yours and leverage them in your pursuits. Remember, self-confidence is a journey, not a destination. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can develop the self-belief you need to achieve your goals. Mindset. Challenge your mindset. Our thoughts are powerful. Challenge negative self-talk and replace it with positive affirmations. Visualize yourself succeeding. Reframe failures. Don't see failures as setbacks, but as learning experiences. They are opportunities to grow and improve. Focus on gratitude. Practice gratitude for the good things in your life. This will shift your focus to the positive and boost your confidence. Develop a growth mindset. Believe that your abilities can be developed through effort and learning. Action. Step outside your comfort zone. Don't be afraid to try new things and take on challenges. This will help you build resilience and confidence in your abilities. Take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment to start. Take action on your goals, even if it's just a small step. Celebrate your wins. Take the time to celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small. This will help you stay motivated and keep moving forward. Help others. Helping others is a great way to boost your confidence and self-worth. Self-care. Practice self-care. Make self-care a priority. Get enough sleep, eat nutritious foods, and exercise regularly. Taking care of yourself physically and mentally will help you feel your best. Develop a positive body image. Learn to appreciate your body for what it can do. Focus on health and well-being rather than appearance. Dress for success. When you look good, you feel good. Dress in a way that makes you feel confident and powerful. Practice good posture. Stand tall and make eye contact with others. Good posture will project confidence and make you feel more assertive. Knowledge and skills. Become an expert in your field. The more you know about your field, the more confident you will feel. Develop new skills. Learning new skills will boost your confidence and make you more marketable. Seek out mentors and role models. Surround yourself with positive and successful people who can inspire you and help you grow. Relationships. Build strong relationships. Having strong relationships with supportive people will boost your confidence and self-esteem. Set healthy boundaries. Learn to say no to things that will drain your energy or negativity. Lifestyle. Live a healthy lifestyle, eating healthy foods, getting enough sleep, and exercising regularly will improve your mood, energy levels, and overall well-being. This will contribute to your confidence. Live in the present moment, don't dwell on the past or worry about the future. Focus on the present moment and what you can control. Find your purpose. Having a sense of purpose in life will give you direction and motivation. It will also boost your confidence and self-worth. Remember, self-confidence is a journey, not a destination. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can develop the self-belief you need to achieve your goals.